We begin tonight with the latest on the trial for a local barbershop owner. Nathan Abate is in court today to continue delivering his testimony. He is facing allegations of sex crimes that occurred between 2008 and 2010 involving multiple victims. The Atascadero resident is currently out of custody, but his trial, which started on the 4th, is still ongoing. One of the attorneys in the case told us that closing arguments are expected within the next day or two. KSBY reporter Carson Wells has more.
I'm Carson Wells, your community reporter in San Luis Obispo. I've been following the Nathan Abate trial since opening statements were made earlier this month. I was back in court Tuesday afternoon when the final two witnesses were called to the stand. On Tuesday, Nathan Abate's attorney Scott Taylor began court proceedings by calling Dr. Howard Allen Reed as a witness. He is a forensic psychologist who was deemed an expert witness in the case. Taylor's questions focused on memory and how memories can be impacted. Dr. Allen Reed explained how memories can be altered even without a person realizing it. He called this contaminated memories. He went on to say memories can be more susceptible to being contaminated as more time passes. The doctor also said that alcohol can make memories more susceptible to being contaminated. He also confirmed that learning information secondhand can also have an impact on memories and can sometimes result in a person unintentionally filling in the gaps in their memories with things that may not be true. After Taylor was done questioning, the prosecution asked a few questions, mostly confirming and clarifying what he had said. The second witness the defense called to the stand was Detective Brent Englehart from SLO PD. He confirmed he was the first officer to interview Ashley, one of the alleged victims. He was only on the stand for a few minutes and confirmed that he spoke to Ashley twice in 2022 regarding her alleged sexual assault. Englehart also confirmed that SLO PD's policy for reports of sexual assault is to take the report even if the person reporting something doesn't want to press charges at the time. The prosecution had no questions for Detective Englehart and defense rested. After the last witness left, the judge went over instructions with the jury and court was adjourned. Everyone will be back in court at 1:30 on Wednesday afternoon for the beginning of closing arguments. I'll be back in court tomorrow afternoon to hear closing arguments. In San Luis Obispo, Carson Wells, KSBY News.